Hi viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. So guys, today we are going to be talking about two new methods in which you can use to reach in which you can actually use to make a woman to reach to her orgasm without insulting your cassava. This is new method that is reigning now that you can actually use. If you got a woman who doesn't actually enjoy having your cassava in her honey pot, you can as well use this particular method to make her feel comfortable. You can as well use this method to make her feel relaxed and fulfilled without you allowing your cassava to be inside her honey pot. A lot of women out there, trust me, 55% of women out there don't actually enjoy sex. No matter how you try to make them enjoy the sex, they don't enjoy it. Instead, they enjoy you making them, putting them into the mood and finally making them to reach their orgasm without inserting your cassava. Whether you believe it or not, there are some women who are like that. They don't actually enjoy the men cassava why it's being inside their honey pot. Instead, they like you to make her to feel, to feel you on your own way. And that is why I am here to tell you these new techniques, these new methods that you can use to make her to reach her orgasm without, I mean, without inserting your cassava. This method will, after you, try this method on her, you will find out that after the method and she reach her orgasm, you feel that she will feel so relaxed and fulfilled. You understand? She will not be horny any longer until when she needed it next time. There's some women who are out there that in fact that is what they need. They don't want the cassava in down there. They don't want it. They just want you to make her feel it, but never you enter inside their honey pot. So if you get such woman in the house, please make sure that you watch this video because this video will help you a lot. It will help you and it will make her very comfortable. Okay, so whatever that makes her comfortable equally makes you comfortable as well. If she satisfies you, are equally satisfied. All right. But before I go into that video, I want to use this great, wonderful privilege to thank all my talent subscribers. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your love, your support towards the channel. May God Almighty bless you. And for those of you who are just joining over the first time, here in this channel will teach you relationship tips and how you can take your sex level to the another level, okay, by the special grace of God. So now, if that is what you want to hear, keep on watching this video. Now you can actually make a woman to reach her orgasm with these two new techniques that is currently on in the town. One, number one technique that you must follow to make her to reach her orgasm, if you want her to really scream loud, if you want her to, to grab you, if you want her to shout, like if you want her to actually call your name, like if your name Roland, she will actually call you that's your name or your pet name while you are still doing this. This method makes some women to reach their orgasm. It makes them to reach orgasm without even having the urge to allow you penetrate inside their honey pots any longer. You understand? So number one method that you must learn how to do currently, which is what is going on in our society today, is the method that I call playback. I call it playback. Okay, why did I call it playback? I call it playback because a woman, assuming you guys are already on the bed, so she will be in your front and you will be at her back like this. Okay, this is her, this is you. You understand? And she will use, she'll just back you and you will just, face her at the back, and then gently turn your hands, like gently move your hand, eh, round to her chest by, you know, just gradually make sure that your hands grab her two oranges, right? Let your hand grab her two oranges. The mouth of the oranges. I will be calling them because of YouTube policy. If not, I would like to call name, but I cannot do that because of YouTube policy. Okay, I mean the two oranges on her chest. Okay, so the mouth of the oranges. So you are to, slowly grab it with your two hands from her. Bring your hand. I don't know if you're getting. Just bring your hand as in to her front. This hand to her front, and then gently try to stimulate the mouth of the orange gradually. There is a way you do it. So it's either you use this hand here and this one, or you use this one and this one. So you hold the two like this, or you use this two. Okay, so you just gradually be stimulating the two oranges mouth. Okay, while you are doing that, another method that you can use to make her reach her orgasm is by engaging in a dirty talk with her. Okay, so you engage in a dirty talk. What do I mean by dirty talk? Dirty talk is the talk that can make her to get aroused, that can make you as a man, when you are talking, or when you both are talking this dirty talk, it makes you of you to get aroused, and it makes her feel so horny. As you are stimulating the mouth of the orange, she's already getting horny down there. She's already, as in her brain is already telling her, this is what you need, this is what you need, but she won't tell you. Trust me, believe me, she is enjoying it. As you are stimulating the two oranges mouth, engage her in a sex talk. Let two of you be, just trust me, you both will enjoy that moment without even you putting your cassava inside her honey pot. Like, you will take her away from this entirely earth. You will take her away, and you enjoy the whole thing. So if maybe you want to go further, you can just ask her for her permission if you want to go further, because I know as a man, when you engage a woman in a little talk like this, both of you will get aroused, and as a man, you may not be able to hold it. So if you get aroused and you feel that you cannot hold it, just talk to her, beg her that, oh, it's not gonna be painful, or it's not gonna be this, it's not gonna be that. You're gonna insert it, very smoothly, and she will enjoy it. By that time, there's nothing that will make her to feel pain, because her this thing is already coming out. Her juice, her honey pot juice is already pumping out, waiting for the right thing to be done. But because she doesn't enjoy it that way, she might not really open her mouth. But you that is doing it, you might need it. In fact, you need it. So while you are Rose, please beg her to allow you to do it if you must. Further. Okay? So, guys, I hope you grab one or two things in this teaching. Please, after watching this video, like this video, be part of this amazing family, and also remember to share this video. Please share if you want me to be bringing juicy content like this. Please share this video, leave your comment under the comment section, and let's get interrupted at the comment section. Okay, I love you all. I will be right back on my next video, but before I go, please guys, check out this channel. They teach about anything that concern love, connection, how you can connect with your soulmate spiritually, and the bond will become so tight. So the name of this channel is Gideon Love Channel. Gideon Love Channel. So I will drop the link of the channel at the description box or at the comment section. Please go and check him out. So when you get there, please tell him that Adam Secret sends you to his channel. Okay, so guys, see you on my next video. Do have a great and wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.